the most relevant properties to discover a mineral are the chemical composition and the crystalline structure. However, those properties are not easy to discover, okay, with our naked eyes. So we focus our attention on physical properties, okay, because they are relevant to discover what are the minerals in our everyday life. For example, the crystal shape. I have explained you before, mineral crystals occur in various shapes and size. And sometimes some minerals present a very specific crystal shape. Okay, for example, beryl always form hexagonal crystals, like in the picture. The color. It's quite tricky because even the same mineral can present different colors depending on impurities. However, other minerals like turquoise or fluorite have a distinctive color. Even sulfur is yellow, and turquoise and azurite are blue. Okay, so color alone is not a reliable way to identify them. However, from time to time, some minerals have very specific colors. Luster. Luster is how much the surface of a mineral shines, okay, when it reflects light. So we define some different luster possibilities, like metallic, okay, for example, like gold, okay, gold is metallic, or a non-metallic in general, the rest of minerals. They can be waxy, okay, like wax, como ceras. Vitreous, if that mineral reminds us like a piece of glass. Or pearly, okay, looks like a pearl. Greasy, okay, covered in oil. Or even adamantine, okay, if the mineral looks like a diamond. This property is like a color, okay, so it's quite tricky because the same mineral sometimes has got different luster. The cleavage is the tendency of a mineral to cleave, okay, or break along flat surfaces. For example, muscovite or biotite. Muscovite or biotite are both micas, okay. The picture shows us a mica, and micas show the simplest type of cleavage, okay, because as you can see, they produce leaves. The streak is the color of the mineral in powder form, okay. I told you before, color is quite tricky, and even the same mineral sometimes present different color. However, if we get the powder form, okay, the color is always the same, even if the color is different, right? For example, it's interesting because pyrite has got a gold color, okay, looks like gold. However, its streak is black, okay, it's not yellow, it's black. Gypsum is the streak is always white, okay. So all minerals have got always the same streak, okay, although they have got some differences in color. And hardness is really interesting because it refers to a mineral resistant to be scratched, okay. We use the Mohs scale, and the Mohs scale is a scale, okay, that rates a mineral hardness from 1 to 10, okay. 1 is the softest, and the number 10 corresponds to the diamond. The diamond is the hardest. So each mineral on this scale can scratch the previous one and be scratched by the following one. So imagine we have got a mineral, and that mineral can scratch mineral number 1, mineral number 2, and mineral number 3. However, that mineral cannot scratch mineral number 4. So that mineral's hardness is number 3.